What's up, everybody? I wanted to show you my setup on my SS396 El Camino. It's got SPC adjustable front A-arms with tall ball joints. I believe they're ½ inch taller, and I cut this and bent it over and welded it, and then also got rid of some metal right down here, as you can see on both sides. And right now I have it so the caster is at maximum. With still being level. I mean, obviously I don't have an alignment shop, but it's amazing, it still goes back to center. So if you're wondering what happens with an A-body, oh, the other thing I forgot to mention, I have C5 Corvette A-body hubs. So this is made by CPP, the whole spindle right there. It's a C5 Corvette hub, but it's just a stock. You can see my tall ball joint there. It's just a stock setup, no height or lowering. I cut my springs like a kind of like a coil and a 3/4 out, and then use the settling torch to bend it down the pigtail. And so I just want to say, if you're wondering what happens if you put an A body, you know, there's a 68, so 68 to 72 A body with maximum caster, right? That's when the wheel, that's when this wheel's angle is, or the spindle is like this. This makes it easy to steer and come back to center. This makes it feel more controlled, but at the same time, sometimes you lose your going back to center. It doesn't do it perfectly, but does it pretty well. When you're coming out of a turn and you let go, it does push back to center. So just want to share that with everyone, if anyone was wondering, because I was wondering. And it seems to work pretty fine, because some people would say they think they're gonna have a problem and stuff, but might be because I've got some pretty good geometry going on here with this setup. But anyways, thanks everybody. Hope you have a great day. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all later.